dito, lalo-lalo na ikaw.
Yes po, yes.
Akira as Shawn Mendes.
Better than he can.
Lahat ng yan dito pa rin sa biggest celebration ng iconic transformations.
Your face sounds familiar.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Live at the Mayuri Ballroom, Dusetani, Manila, Makati City. This is the 51st Metro Manila Film Festival. Gabi ng Parangal.
The golden era of MMFF has begun. This year, MMFF is opening the next chapter, gearing towards new heights and setting an upgraded standard for cinematic excellence. MMFF 51, a new era for Philippine cinema.
Para sa isang mas makulay, mas makabuluhan at mas matagumpay na kinabukasan ng pelikulang Pilipino.
The annual MMFF celebration continues with a series of new and exciting events, all to support our film industry. MMFF 51 aims to honor and showcase our world-class Filipino artistry with 8 fresh films that depict Pinoy values, sensibility, character, and culture, all for the new era of Philippine cinema. Today, we will pay tribute and recognize our global pride and talent from this year's official film entries. Sama-sama nating bigyang pugay ang ating lahi.
Kinikilala namin ang mahalagang papel ng MMFF sa pagpapaunlad ng ating sining at kultura.
Ipagmalaki natin ang talento at gawang sariling atin.
Nabuo ako ng gusto sa mga pelikulang isinali dito sa MMFF.
Tangkilikin natin ang pelikulang Pilipino. This is MMFF 51, Gabi ng Parangal.